Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Most people focus on the muscles they can see: arms, chest, abs. But there's one powerful muscle group that almost everyone overlooks, even men who exercise regularly. And yet, this muscle quietly controls how you stand, how you walk, and how stable your body feels all day long. When it stops working the way it should, the body doesn't shut down. Instead, it adapts. The lower back tightens to pick up the slack. The knees absorb stress they were never meant to handle. Balance becomes less reliable. Movements feel heavier, less smooth, and more tiring than they should. This isn't about age, and it's not about motivation or effort. It's about a missing link in your body's foundation. Before we get started, drop a comment and tell me your age and where you're watching from. Here on Health Fact 10M, we focus on restoring the body's natural strength, not chasing trends or extreme workouts. Today, I'll walk you through 5 simple movements designed to reactivate this forgotten muscle group. When it comes back online, many men notice the difference almost immediately, in how they stand, how they move, and how confident their body feels. Exercise 1. Glute bridge march. Most men don't notice when their glutes stop doing their job, because the problem doesn't show up as obvious weakness. It shows up as compensation. Walking feels stiff. Standing for long periods feels unstable. The body still moves, but it feels like it's working harder than it should, like it no longer trusts its own support system. Over time, the nervous system adapts by shifting stability into the lower back and legs. Movement remains possible, but efficiency and control slowly disappear. The glute bridge march helps reverse this pattern. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Take a moment to settle in. Let your breathing slow and feel your body connect to the ground. Lift your hips into a stable bridge, pressing evenly through both feet. From here, slowly lift one knee while keeping your pelvis level. Lower it with control, then switch sides. The goal is not speed. It's steadiness. This movement challenges the glutes to stabilize the pelvis one side at a time, something many men gradually lose without realizing it. If your hips shake or wobble, that's not a failure. It's useful feedback showing where control is being rebuilt. Work for 20 to 30 seconds, rest briefly, and repeat once or twice. As stability returns, tension often eases in the lower back, balance improves, and movement starts to feel lighter and more dependable. Exercise 2. Split squat hold. Strength usually isn't the first thing men lose. What fades first is confidence on one leg. You notice it when stepping off a curb, climbing stairs, putting on socks. These moments don't feel dramatic, but they signal that the body no longer fully trusts itself under single leg load. When that trust disappears, the nervous system shifts into protection mode. Movements become cautious. Muscles tighten unnecessarily. Strength is still there, but it no longer flows smoothly. The split squat hold rebuilds that missing trust. Stand in a split stance with one foot forward and one foot back. Before lowering, pause and let your weight settle into the front foot. Take a slow breath and allow your posture to organize naturally. Lower into a comfortable lunge position, well before strain. This is not about going deep. It's about staying stable. Press gently through the front heel and allow the glute to support you while the torso stays upright and the pelvis remains level. Now hold. Don't fidget. Don't rush. In this stillness, the glute is doing exactly what it's designed to do: support your body during everyday movement. If the leg shakes, that's not weakness. It's the nervous system relearning how to stabilize without panic. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, rest, then switch sides. As confidence returns, balance improves, daily movement feels easier, and strength becomes something you can rely on again. Exercise 3. Romanian deadlift. True power comes from the hips, not from tension in the lower back. Over time, many men lose this connection without noticing. They bend, lift, and stand every day, but the hips stop contributing. The spine works too hard. Fatigue shows up sooner than it should, and strength feels inconsistent. The Romanian deadlift restores this missing pattern. Stand tall with light weight or no weight at all. Pause and align your posture. Ribs stacked over the pelvis, knees softly bent, feet grounded. Begin by pushing the hips straight back, as if closing a door behind you. Keep the spine long and neutral. The movement is slow and controlled. Lower until you feel clear tension in the glutes and hamstrings. Don't chase depth, chase control. Pause briefly, then drive the hips forward to stand tall. Gently squeeze the glutes at the top without arching the lower back. Breathe calmly. This exercise isn't about lifting heavy. It's about teaching the body how to generate power while staying organized. 8 to 12 slow repetitions, for 1 or 2 sets, is more than enough. When this pattern returns, everyday movements feel smoother, more coordinated, and less draining. Exercise 4. Bird Dog. Coordination fades before strength does. Many men notice that their body no longer moves as one unit. Turning feels hesitant. Balance feels uncertain. Everything feels slightly disconnected. The bird dog helps restore communication across the entire system. Start on all fours with hands under shoulders and knees under hips. Pause and breathe. Let the spine settle into a neutral position. Slowly extend the opposite arm and leg. Reach long, not high. Keep the hips level and ribs down. Nothing should rush or wobble. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then return with control. Switch sides and repeat. This movement retrains the nervous system to coordinate strength across the shoulders, spine, and hips. If you feel shaking or hesitation, that's feedback, not failure. Move slowly enough that your breathing stays calm. Speed hides problems. Control restores awareness. Perform 6 to 10 controlled repetitions per side. 1 or 2 sets is plenty. As coordination improves, movement feels smoother, energy flows better, and the body stops overbracing. Exercise 5. Deep Squat Hold. When men stop squatting, they stop trusting their lower body. This loss happens quietly as sitting replaces movement and depth disappears from daily life. Ankles stiffen, hips lose range. Standing up feels heavier than it should. The deep squat hold helps restore positions the body was designed to keep. Stand with feet slightly wider than shoulder width and toes turned out naturally. Settle your weight evenly and take one calm breath. Slowly lower into the deepest squat you can control. Don't force depth. Go only as low as you can remain stable and relaxed. Keep the spine long, chest open, and hips dropping between the heels. Breathe slowly and hold. This stillness teaches the ankles to bend again, the hips to open, and the pelvis to support the spine without tension. If you feel shaking, stay present. Let the nervous system understand that this position is safe. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds. Rest briefly and repeat once or twice. This isn't about flexibility, it's about confidence in depth. Aging doesn't happen simply because time passes. It happens when key movements disappear. Restoring strength isn't about doing more exercises. It's about restoring what the body was designed to keep. These movements aren't workouts. They're signals of stability and control. Give them a few calm minutes each day. Move slowly. Breathe. Before you go, leave a comment and tell me your age and where you're watching from. And remember, your body doesn't age because it moves. It ages because it forgets how to move well.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.